Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. There's an impressive trend today among young people who are moving in large numbers towards a more vegetarian lifestyle. Now, sometimes it's for health reasons, as vegetarians show a lower incidence of many types of cancer as well as heart and cardiovascular disease. And in some cases, it's more for ethical reasons, with respect to a desire not to kill or harm animals, or to reduce CO2 emissions into the environment, and or to preserve the rainforest around the world. But one of the few negative consequences of a vegetarian diet is that it's low in a very important nutrient known as creatine. So creatine is required by muscles to support lean muscle mass, for muscle growth with exercise, and also to increase strength. Now, creatine is also required by the brain, as it's a very important substance from which the brain can generate energy and maintain optimal brain function. Now, meat and pork and poultry and fish are quite rich in creatine, and thus studies show that brain cells of people who regularly consume these animal protein foods is higher in creatine than brain cells in vegetarians. So a team of researchers from Stetson University in Florida conducted an interesting study using creatine supplementation in vegetarians. They had vegetarian subjects take a neurocognitive test prior to creatine supplementation. Then they had some of the vegetarians take a creatine supplement each day for 4 weeks, while the other group did not take the creatine supplement. The neurocognitive test was retaken at the end of the 4 weeks, and the results showed that those who ingested the creatine saw a significant improvement in their neurocognitive scores. So what is neurocognitive function, you ask? It's having to do with the ability to think and reason. So this includes the ability to concentrate, remember things, process information, learn, speak, and understand. So creatine supplementation improves these important brain functions that we use every single day. Now, meat eaters who consume creatine in the same study did not see an improvement in their neurocognitive scores because their brains already had ample creatine from the consumption of these flesh animal protein foods. By the way, dairy products have very little creatine, in case you're wondering. So if you're a vegetarian or moving towards a more vegetarian diet, it may be in your best interest to begin using a creatine supplement. Typically, creatine comes as a powder, whereby you mix 1 to 2 teaspoons into a little bit of juice or a protein shake and consume it that way. Adding creatine in this way may help to improve or maintain more optimal neurocognitive function, so it's an important consideration. Creatine can also help to preserve and increase muscle lean mass and prevent it from declining as you age. So I personally add 2 teaspoons, about 10 grams, of creatine monohydrate powder to my morning breakfast shake of whey protein 4 to 5 times per week. So I've included the research references for this study in the text below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.